rumors are true. I am over 6 feet tall. Just want to get that out of the way.
God damn, Army Bomb a little thick with it, ain't she?
Taehyung, do you have some sort of strategy for the fight? I'ma shoot Yoongi in the head, just so I can kiss it better afterwards.
Oh, you think you funny, alright.
Oh, Sook, it's okay. He was only joking, I think.
Jungkook is literally throwing himself at Taehyung, but we're not here for that. Don't talk about that. Personally, I think Jungkook is free to hug whoever he wants to hug if he feels like hugging them. I'm gonna fuck you up. I'm from Daegu, bitch. I'm sorry, baby. I didn't mean it.